Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present an activity on 1 to 10 letter words and their meaning. I am very selfish, but always thinks about myself. I am two-letter word. We show to Katanas. I am ego. I am three-letter word. Most dangerous word. I am four-letter word. Love, which is essential for having relation. I have five-letter word. Smile. Smile make you look beautiful. So always smile. I am rumor. Six-letter word. Most dangerous. Always ignore me. I am seven-letter word. Success, which makes you famous all around the world. I am jealousy, eight-letter word. Most dangerous word, which spoil your life. I am nine-letter word. Knowledge. I am full of wisdom and intelligence. I am confidence, the most powerful 10-letter word, which improve your personality. So be confident. I will tell you which words we need and which words don't need. Need means they go to yes team. Don't need means they go to no team. I, no, we, yes, ego, no, love, yes, smile, yes, rumor, no, success, yes, jealousy, no, knowledge, yes, confidence, yes. Words shape our world. Choose word that lift, drop word that train. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine, for your good effort.